Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make gears in TinkerCAD. So basically what you'll need to do is open a new project and right here click on search shapes, and now just type gear or gears, it doesn't even matter. And as you can see, you'll have various gears. So I will just take this simple gear, and how you'll be able to modify it is right here in the properties. So right here you can just adjust the pitch if you need to, then you can adjust the slope for the gear. After that you can adjust the teeth, how many do you need those. Actually you can adjust the height of the gear, and you can adjust bore diameter. So basically it just takes a little bit of time, and it changes how you need to. So basically, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.